Pemirsa, warga di negara dengan 4 musim seperti Amerika Serikat sering mengalami depresi musiman. Menurut Asosiasi Psikiatris Amerika, dialami setidaknya 5% warga alami hingga berbulan-bulan. Apa yang memicu depresi musiman ini? Kita simak laporan dari tim VOA berikut ini.
Depresi musiman atau seasonal affective disorder banyak dialami warga Amerika Serikat dengan pergantian musim ke musim gugur dan musim dingin, saat siang hari menjadi kian pendek dan malam menjadi semakin panjang.
Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, it's a form of clinical depression that follows a seasonal pattern where the depression symptoms are in effect during certain seasons of the year and they resolve in the opposite seasons of the year.
Banyak gejala yang bisa diamati dari seseorang yang mengalami depresi musiman.
A depressive episode includes a depressed mood. It also means that someone can feel numb, emotionless, empty most of the day, nearly every day. Activities that you once enjoyed no longer bring you pleasure. People struggle with feeling fatigued and a reduction of energy. Trouble focusing and concentrating and making decisions.
Ahli kesehatan mental mencermati masing-masing kelompok demografis memiliki kerentanan tersendiri terhadap seasonal affective disorder.
Women are 4 times more likely to experience this. And men are actually way more likely to not identify that what they're experiencing may be related to a major depressive episode with a seasonal pattern.
Bagi yang mengalami depresi relatif ringan, ada kiat-kiat untuk mengatasi tanpa harus mencari pertolongan ahli kesehatan mental.
For people who may just experience mild changes in the fall and the winter, but not at the level of a full-blown major depression, there are several things that you can do that might be helpful, including trying as much as possible to stay into your routines. Try to get outside as much as possible. There's plenty of light to be had in the wintertime. You just have to dress appropriately.
Tapi bila depresi begitu berat sehingga orang tak bisa berfungsi sama sekali, maka itulah saatnya mencari pertolongan medis.
If you really feel you are struggling in the winter time with symptoms that are interfering with your ability to do the things that you need to do, function appropriately in your interpersonal relationships, perform at work or at school, it really is a good idea to have a conversation with your doctor and find out if you really do have seasonal affective disorder.
Ahli kesehatan mental juga mengatakan menjaga hubungan sosial juga penting, tak hanya untuk mengusir sepi, tapi agar bila depresi tak teratasi, teman dan keluarga bisa mendorong penderita untuk meminta pertolongan medis. Selain obat antidepresi, sejumlah perawatan juga direkomendasikan bagi mereka yang mengalami depresi musiman berat. Di antaranya terapi perilaku kognitif dan juga terapi matahari menggunakan sinar matahari pagi 30 menit setiap paginya. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.